So, yeah, I'm never going back to that restaurant ever again. Honestly, it was really like the food's very bland and the service is terrible. Like I should have been gone like 30 minutes ago, but my waiter just decided to stay in the back for God knows how long. I don't know what she was doing, but it's such a nice C6. But she just stayed in the back forever, man. I'm just sitting here, waiting to go. Look at the pirate ships. That's so tough. Aye, aye, matey. I could really go on there if I wanted to. I'm pretty sure you have to pay to get on it, which is pretty butt cheeks if you ask me. But that's honestly the only thing they got around here, to be honest. This is gonna be hell. Oh no. I scratched the bottom. It should be fine though. Annoying, but it'll be fine. It didn't sound like it was too crazy. Now we're on the way back. The nice Tennessee River right here. Beautiful. Not a big bridge guy. Not a big bridge guy, but I like the view though. I'll give it to him. I can feel the wind like blowing my car to the side. That's crazy. You can see like the LED lights right now. Another Corvette. Let's go. They whipping the cars out today. I saw so many Corvettes this morning. I've never seen that many vets in my life. I didn't realize how common they were. They're more common than Mustangs, to be honest. Roll the window down for a sec. Oh God, that's tough. That's tough. That sounds like some gunshots, man. That's tough. Can't beat that. I didn't take pictures of my car because I honestly just want to get back and take a nap for a little bit. If I'm being honest, I'm so tired. But, I mean, it's a good road trip. Restaurant. Wasn't really the best. Kind of ruined the vibe a little bit. Not gonna lie. Just my waiter ruined the vibe. And when I was leaving, it smelled like dog poop out there. There was this lady walking her dog around out there. I don't know if she picked up the poop or not, but it smelled very, very funky when I was walking out. And I was like, yeah, I don't know about this one, Chi. So, all in all experience, it's a good spot, like a chill spot, but all in all experience, I'd give it like a 5 out of 10. I definitely won't be going back anytime soon. Won't go back anytime soon, and also we'll just find a new spot to go to. The only time I'd ever go back is for the steakhouse, because they actually did have really good ribeyes, I won't lie. It's probably one of the best ribeyes I've ever had, so I'll give them that at least. I've always liked houses that have big windows like that in the back. It's kind of like a Friday the 13th kind of house thing going on there. Old school. Oh man, I'm tired. But yeah, so this video is gonna be a little short, but I am gonna do a little POV drive soon. I'll do that video here soon, and then we'll just call it a day after that, because I don't want to sit here and fall asleep while I'm talking again on the camera, and potentially. So yeah, that was basically just describing my experience overall. Didn't take any pictures, just wanted to get up out of there and do more trips in the vehicle for sure, because it was still a fun drive to say the least. But I will see y'all on the POV video. Peace out.